optional deduction. Any employee who wants to include the optional deduction, which is, for example, income tax relief item, into his or her payroll, must submit form TP1 together with a copy of proof to HR manager. So in this chapter, we assume Apa Pemboleh has submitted form TP1 with proof for his complete medical examination through the HR manager. The receipt shows total amount of 800 ringgit. However, the maximum amount allowed is only 500 ringgit. So in the first task 20.1, we will record this optional deduction under ad hoc payroll item. So first of all, please go to payroll, then select payroll management and click on ad hoc payroll item. The first thing you have to do under ad hoc payroll item is you have to choose for the employee that you want to do for the ad hoc payroll item. So by default, the first employee will be automatic check, which is Tom Cruise. So you have to uncheck, then you can use the filter button to search for the employee. So we type on apapun, automatic system will help you to search. So check for the employee that you already selected. The second thing you have to do is to make sure that you are doing these ad hoc payroll items on the correct month, which is April. So by default, the calendar will be follow the system calendar. So automatic, if you, let's say your system calendar is on April, it will be on April. And this one also based on the process payroll that you have done before. Means when you start using the AutoCount clock payroll. For example, if let's say January, February, March, in the previous chapter, we already brought forward all the balance of leave, we already done all the brought forward all the carry forward transaction and everything. So that's why January, February, March is already been logged with the red color. And then the next one you have to do is search for the ad hoc payroll item that you want to create. So we have to search for optional deduction. Under this optional deduction, please click on Add New Row. Under Payroll Type, you only have two choice, which is first half and also month and second half. Since we want to do this optional deduction at the end of the month, so that's why we have to choose month and second half. For the description, this one is optional for you to include. Optional deduction, you click the drop down button and then we search for complete medical examination. For your information, all this optional deduction is already auto-created for you in this system. So we click on complete medical examination and the amount, we put the full amount, which is 800 ringgit. And after you have done, you may click on save. And automatic already been saved for complete medical examination. Now, in our AutoCount clock payroll system, besides of ad hoc payroll item, if let's say this optional deduction, the amount is fixed every month, there's another way for you to set for this optional deduction. For example, let's say for this complete medical examination, you want to set for Apa Pemboleh fixed for every month. So you have to go back to employee and then employee maintenance. You click on edit button for Apa Pemboleh. And then you have to search for the button of addition and deduction. Under this addition and deduction, you have to click on add payroll item and you will see another column by the name of optional deduction. So under this optional deduction, you have to set by employee. For example, if this employee wants to include under his payroll for monthly deduction, you can set under employee maintenance. So you can just check, for example, just now we have done complete medical examination. As you can see, automatic limit is 500 ringgit. So let's say you don't want to change, let's say this employee want to fully deduct, so they can put 500 ringgit and apply. Automatic from starting from that month until the next following month, the system will auto deduct for this optional deduction. This one I just show you example, just in case if let's say your employee requests for every month deduction. So this one I just click on discard and click on back. So we have done for the first task 20 point.